Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hina with Miss Hina's LEGO Robotics. In today's video, I have a LEGO Mindstorms Inventor little tiny mini line follower. This is probably the easiest little line follower you can make. So what I'm going to do today in the video is show you how to make it, show you how to program it, and then show you how this little guy can follow a line. So let's go to it. Hey guys, this is Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for checking out my channel and this video. If you love robotics and want to see more, hit that subscribe button. Okay guys, so yes, look how tiny this thing is. Super easy to make. So if you want the easiest LEGO Mindstorms Inventor line follower that you can make, I'm going to show you how to make this easy program. I think there's like 4 blocks to it. And then I'm going to go ahead and let this thing run around my black line track. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to the build. Okay, let me just go ahead and show you how easy this thing looks. I mean, I think I built this in maybe 10 minutes. And the hardest thing to figure out was going to be what was my third point of contact going to be. So I had to figure this one out. I went through a lot of modifications. So this was the easiest thing I could think of, is just this little wheel back here. But let me go ahead and show you how I built this thing. Okay guys, so this is it. This is all you're going to need. You're going to need just 2 of the motors. We have 6 black connectors. I have this gray H piece already put in. You're going to need your 2 tires, 2 threes, 2 of these gray bushings, actually 3 of the gray bushings, 2 of these white pieces, that tire, and I believe this was, what is that, an 8, you guys? It's the big nail. And that's it. Oh, my fault. Your color sensor. I already have all of these things bundled. I actually used that white rubber band to kind of bundle it. But that's it. That's how easy this is. So let's go ahead and just install this. These 3 black connectors, just gonna put my motor on like that. This is so easy. I think I can do this with one hand. Just, you know. Okay, so those 2 motors are installed. Let's go ahead and get the wheels on. Okay, so I have both these motors in. I'm just going to go ahead and put this 3 inside of the motor, put this wheel on, and then put the gray bushing here on the outside. And then I'm just going to do the same thing to the other side. Super easy, guys. And that's it. Okay, now let's go ahead and put this back part on. This is super easy too. So we're going to put these 2 white pieces right here. One's going to be on one side, the other's going to be on the other side. And then we're going to just thread this through. We're going to thread this through the tire. Sure wish I could see. Oh, there we go. Okay. And then it's just going to go through there. We're going to kind of make sure this thing gets centered here. And we're just going to pull. Oh, wow. Just going to make sure that tire's in the middle. Sorry, guys. This should not be taking this long. Okay, and then we'll just put that tire right there. And that's it. We're just going to come around here. I'm going to put this color sensor. Let's see. So hard when you're okay. I always have a hard time with these gray H pieces. You guys have issues with it? Like getting things to go in, or there we go. Okay. And that's it. That's how quick that build was. And again, I put this rubber band here just to keep these away from the tires so that it wouldn't, stall out. And that's it. So let's go ahead now and take a look at the line following program, and then we'll take them out to the track. Okay, everybody, let's go ahead and take a look at the program. Sorry if this is a little blurry or the glare, but we're going to come over here to our control tab. And we are going to bust out a repeat until. We're going to go ahead and have that. Okay. Let's go ahead and put repeat until. Let's just go ahead and put out a repeat until left button is pressed. Let me move this over. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and get this movement going on. So let's go ahead and bust out the set movement motors. And right now mine are going to be in C and D. Yeah, that's the way it is. So we're going to have it like that. Okay, let's go to the next block, which you guys are going to have to retrieve. If you go down here to the lower left, we're going to go ahead and tap on that. I've already gotten it, but you guys need to go to the More Movement, and you're going to need to add that extension. Okay, so let me go ahead and get out of that. And so what you're going to be looking now is under More Blocks right here. And what we're going to be looking for is the Start Moving Straight at 50%. So what we're going to do is go ahead and put that in here like that. Okay, guys, sorry, I had to turn my phone sideways here so it was just easier to see. Okay, so the last block I had was the Start Moving Straight at 50% power. So what I'm going to do now is go to my Operators block, and I'm going to pull out a multiplication block. And I'm going to go and get a subtraction block and just drag them into each other like that. So they're a combination of 3. And then what I'm going to do is go to my sensors, and I'm going to drag the one that right here that's curved that says reflected light. I'm going to go ahead and change this now because it's so hard to see, or my phone's, it's only so wide. So it's going to be in port F, and then I'm going to drag it right there in the middle. This is the part that I don't like. I'm going to change this first one to a 2, so it's going to be 2 times the reflected light, and I'm going to change this last one. I was kind of messing with the numbers. It kind of depends on the amount of light that you have in your room or wherever you are. But I noticed that 80 worked better. 30 was way too low. 50 still, it wasn't following the line very well. And so 80 was actually perfect. And so then I'm going to go ahead and drag this right into there. And I don't like to go 50% power. I think I like it better just a little smaller. And fantastic. I have to drag this up again. I'm going to change that to 30 actually, and then I'll just drag this all the way back down again. And there we go. Okay, so that is the program that I'm going to have my robot use to follow this line. So let's go ahead now and download this, and let's go ahead and take the robot to the track. Guys, so there you have it. The smallest, quickest build for a line follower with this LEGO Mindstorms Inventor Kit. A really cool robot. If you're just looking for a line follower and really quick and easy. And then check this out. I watched this cool little trick. Look at this thing on my forehead. What the heck is that? Anyway, so if you guys have an Inventor Kit, that is how you can do the quickest build, the easiest, shortest program that I've come to know for line following. So really cool robot. I really like this thing it does on my face. Anyway, okay guys, so there you go. Hopefully you can enjoy that. For those of you that have the Spike Prime, I believe it's the same thing. I'm not sure though if you have this wheel here, but the Spike Prime does have that ball bearing though. So, okay guys, so hopefully you enjoyed it, having fun still. I am Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's LEGO Robotics. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.